what's up, guys? Today is February the 28th on a Friday. Happy Friday. We're out here in Blue Ridge, Georgia. It's about a 2-hour drive from the office. I have one of my students here with me today, Anthony. He drove all the way from Iowa to do a 2-day ride along. And also we got my guys. I'm going to show you Christian and Ja. They're the recommended movers that I recommend to my clients. So anyway, guys, this is a new client. She actually found me online, watched some of my videos, sent me pictures, the measurements. I never came out here to do a consultation. And she's going to be doing a screen and recoat with the UV Cure, also with a set of stairs. So let me flip this around and show you guys what we got going today, guys. So first of all, there's my ride along student, Anthony. Anthony's from Iowa. He joined my private group about a year ago. So now he's going to be doing some hands-on training with me. There's my client right there, and there's my truck. And also let me show you guys what we're going to be doing. And Ja and Christian are moving some heavy furniture. And where they at? What's up? There go Christian. Where's Ja? There go Ja. All right, guys. So they are breaking down this heavy furniture. This is what we do not do. We do not move furniture. Let the professionals do that. And they just got this couch left, and then also this table. And then me and Anthony are going to start screen and recoating. So as you guys can see, we got some pine floors. I'm going to do some color correction here. Just really in this is really like the most high traffic area. So let me show you guys what we're going to be doing. We also got these stairs. So we got this entire downstairs right here. We also got that bedroom, nothing downstairs. Let them come on through. And then we also have a loft upstairs, and I think it's another bedroom. So they are getting that furniture moved out of the way. And yeah, guys, so we want to have fun. And then also Anthony's going to be with me tomorrow on a screen and recoat and wax removal. Miss Sarah, we did her last Saturday, and she was so happy with the results. She's going to have us come back tomorrow and do 3 more areas, the areas that we didn't do last week because it made such a huge impact in the floors. So all right, guys, we're about to get started. And go ahead and start bringing the equipment upstairs. We're going to start upstairs first. Also, it's a bathroom right here. Alrighty. And this is the loft upstairs with the small potty room. All right, guys, stay tuned. You good, Anthony? All right. Guys, rag coat is going down. Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Nice. Oh, that is beautiful. Nice job, Anthony. Nice job. And pour you another line. Nice. Don't be stingy with this, okay. There you go. Nice, nice, nice. There you go, nice. Hey, Katrina, how did you originally hear about me?
I just looked up wood floor refinishing in Blue Ridge.
Okay. But you was in Tequila when you did it. Oh, you were here?
It might have been the weekend I was here.
Okay.
Or Tequila.
In Tequila, okay,
yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Awesome.
But yeah, and you came out with great reviews.
Thank you.
So, yeah.
And you love the 1-day process.
Yep, the 1-day process was really nice.
Nice. All right, guys, we got the rag coat down. We're going to start UV curing in about 20-30 minutes. Floors look really good. Got a satin finish on it. Again, this is a pine floor. Pine floor loses its soft grain very easily because it is a soft wood. But again, the client just wanted the floors to look good, look better, get some good protection on it. Actually, the movers, Christian and them are coming back today to put the furniture back. But guys, the floors look so much better. All right. All right, guys, I want to start UV curing. All right, guys, look at these floors, look amazing. Now this loft was in really good condition. Probably don't get that much use. Downstairs even came out great as well. Like I said, those high traffic areas, man, a lot of the soft grain is just going out the wood, especially right there. But again, we did the best we could, and the clients do understand that. When they hire this service, Courtney just make it look better. And again, client's very happy. She just paid me, she just left. And she said she'll be back Monday. But Christian, the furniture moving guys that I recommended, they're actually on their way back to put the furniture back. So what we're going to start doing is me and Anthony is going to start, not screening, we've already screened, start UV curing this upstairs. And then by the time Christian and them get here, they can start bringing the furniture back up here. But guys, again, floors came out great. All right. Also, I have a client that hired me to come do his floors in St. Augustine, Florida. He has a lot of wax on his floors. He was quoted over $30,000 to replace his floors just for the wax buildup because the floors can't be sanded. And he just called to confirm his appointment, but he's going to do it at the end of April. All right, guys. Get this floor to UV cured. Stay tuned. All right, guys, that is going to do it. Floors look so much better. I love that satin finish on it, man. Just makes it look, again, really healthy, clean, nice, smooth finish. I love that red coat. But man, looks really good. Well, guys, that's going to do it. We're going to go ahead and head back to Gwinnett County. Actually, some of you guys know I used to clean carpets, and the guy that bought my van, he just had the van picked up to get delivered to Ohio. So I am officially retired from carpet cleaning. I have not cleaned carpets in 5 years, guys. This wood floor maintenance have been such a huge impact in my business. I'm so glad that God led me to this path, and also I'm able to help others like Anthony and so many of my other students get into this service. All right, guys. See you in the next one.